compact drones are revolutionizing personal photography, making aerial shots accessible to everyone. Both the DJI Flip and HoverAir X1 Pro promise groundbreaking features in small, portable packages. But which one should you pick? Let's dive deep to uncover which compact drone truly stands out. The DJI Flip shines with its foldable full-coverage propeller guard, a design innovation that prioritizes safety without compromising weight. It tips the scales at under 249 grams, lighter than most smartphones. Its palm-sized build ensures it fits easily into your bag or even a jacket pocket. This weight also exempts it from registration requirements in most countries, making it ideal for travelers. HoverAir X1 Pro, on the other hand, boasts a similarly compact build, prioritizing portability with a sleek, minimalist design. However, it lacks the comprehensive propeller protection of the DJI Flip, which could be a drawback for beginner pilots who are concerned about safety. While both drones are portable, the DJI Flip's foldable propeller guard gives it a slight edge for durability and peace of mind. Under the hood, the DJI Flip boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 48MP photos and 4K in 60fps HDR videos. Its f/1.7 aperture ensures vibrant colors and sharp details, even in low-light conditions. With dual native ISO fusion technology, the camera produces high-quality images with enhanced dynamic range. One of the highlights is its AI subject tracking, which locks onto the main subject and keeps it perfectly framed during movement. Whether you're hiking through forests or capturing fast-paced action, the DJI Flip delivers consistent results. Plus, it supports up to 4x digital zoom for capturing distant details. The drone offers an impressive maximum flight time of 31 minutes, backed by DJI's intelligent flight battery. It also uses DJI O4 video transmission technology, providing a reliable 1080p/60fps live feed from up to 13 km away. This ensures stable connections and minimal interference even in challenging environments. On the other hand, the HoverAir X1 Pro is a simpler and more affordable option for casual users. While it doesn't have the same advanced features as the DJI Flip, it still performs well for everyday use. Its camera has a smaller sensor and can take 12MP photos and record 1080p videos, which are good enough for social media posts or personal projects. The HoverAir X1 Pro has a shorter flight time of around 15 minutes, which is less than the DJI Flip, but it makes up for it with fast charging. This means you won't have to wait long before you can fly again. It's a great choice if you're someone who wants to take quick and easy shots without worrying too much about battery life. Even though it's smaller and simpler, the HoverAir X1 Pro still offers decent stability during flights and includes GPS functionality. This helps the drone stay steady in the air, even when there's a bit of wind. While it's not designed for professional photographers or videographers, it's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a straightforward drone to capture fun moments. The DJI Flip excels in its range of intelligent shooting modes, including Droney, Circle, Rocket, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight. These modes simplify the process of capturing dynamic footage, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. It also supports advanced features like slow-motion 4K 100fps, which is perfect for creating cinematic effects. Vertical shooting is another bonus, optimized for social media with 2.7K vertical shots. The 10-bit D-Log-M mode captures 1 billion colors, ensuring stunning visuals. Voice control allows you to pilot the drone hands-free by speaking commands. Another standout feature is the automatic beautification tool in the DJI Fly app, which enhances photos and videos during export. This means less time spent editing and more time enjoying your creations. The HoverAir X1 Pro, on the other hand, is a simpler and more beginner-friendly drone. It focuses on ease of use and straightforward features, making it perfect for those who just want to have fun without worrying about complicated settings. One of its best features is one-touch operation, which allows you to launch and control the drone with a single press. This is great for first-time users who might feel overwhelmed by more advanced drones. It also has gesture controls, so you can guide the drone using hand movements, making it a fun and interactive experience. While the HoverAir X1 Pro doesn't have the advanced shooting modes or high-resolution options of the DJI Flip, it still does a good job for quick photos and videos. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to operate and doesn't require any technical knowledge, the HoverAir X1 Pro is a great choice. Its simplicity makes it ideal for casual users who want to capture basic shots or short videos without diving into complex settings. When it comes to choosing between the DJI Flip and HoverAir X1 Pro, the decision largely depends on your needs and budget. The DJI Flip is expected to be priced around $499, slightly higher than the HoverAir X1 Pro, which typically retails for $390. The DJI Flip stands out with its superior camera quality, capturing high-resolution photos and 4K HDR videos. It has a longer flight time and advanced safety features like the foldable full-coverage propeller guard, intelligent shooting modes, professional editing options, extensive transmission range, and voice control make it an excellent choice for professional photographers and videographers who need high-quality visuals and advanced features. It's also a great investment for tech enthusiasts who value innovation and versatility. However, these advantages come at a higher price point, and it's slightly heavier than the HoverAir X1 Pro. The HoverAir X1 Pro is better suited for beginners or casual users who prioritize simplicity and portability over advanced functionality. It's an affordable option that's easy to use and great for quick content creation. Extremely lightweight and compact, it offers user-friendly one-touch controls and basic camera capabilities like 12MP photos and HD videos. Its shorter flight time of 15 minutes and lack of advanced features make it less appealing for professionals, but perfect for those who want a budget-friendly entry into drone photography. In the end, the best drone depends on your priorities. For casual users, the HoverAir X1 Pro might suffice. But if you're serious about aerial photography or videography, the DJI Flip delivers the tools you need to elevate your content. So that was all about the DJI Flip versus HoverAir X1 Pro. Which one do you think is the perfect fit for you? Let us know in the comment below.